Hello group leaders, in today's video I'm going to go over how to create your own workspace within your current Slack account. So I'm going to open up Slack here and I'm going to show you the different workspaces that I have. Here you see my BSF leaders and another workspace, and if you at the bottom it says add workspaces. You're going to click that and it's going to prompt you to confirm your email address. You'll see here I have Erica Amadori. I'm going to click confirm this email. Now you're going to go to your email app and you're going to check and make sure that the Slack email is there. Here's my email. I can confirm. Now you're going to scroll down. You're going to click that green button that says confirm. That's going to take me back into Slack. So now it says let's get started. So I'm going to hit that create a new workspace. Now you're going to want to name your group. So this is going to be specific to your group. For this example, I'm just going to put BSF Group 2019. But feel free to use whatever you would like for your group. I'm going to hit next. And you're just going to say, what is the project working on? For this example, I would write community. You could also put prayer, connection. And then this is where you're going to put the invites. You can put each woman in individually with her email and she will get an email. For example, mary@gmail.com. Or you will see above this area where you can type them in individually, it says get a link to share. If you tap that, it will copy it to your clipboard, and now you can either create an email of your own or you can text it. I'm going to show you an example of how you can text it. I'm going to go into here, I'm going to create a new message, test, and I'm going to say, hey Mary, this is the group Slack account that we talked about earlier, and then I'll paste it in and I will send it to her. So I hope that this is helpful for you. And then you would just send it to her. So if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to ask, but I'm sure you will have some along the way, but I hope this is helpful for you to create your own Slack account. Talk to you soon. Bye.